Welcome to James Man's Academy. So in this video, I'm going to teach you some of the common problem that is being encountered by most students. So what if you have the product? What if you have two functions and you are to find their integrals? For example, if you are giving this function, let's assume that you have one function here, and you also have another function. There's and you are asked to find their what their integral. So how do you um solve this type of integral problem? Most students we multiply each of these functions together. You understand? They'll find the function of x and also find the function of the function of this second one, which is very very wrong. For example, most students we say the same thing as writing uh, f of x, the x times the integral then g of x, okay, which is very very wrong. Okay, there's why I put this there's why this is not the same thing as this. Okay, so what if you have this function? Let's assume you have something like this. Maybe you have sine x, this function, and you're also giving another function, okay, cos x dx. If I have to follow this particular rule, you're going to have something like this. You're going to have something like this. Sine x dx times your integral cos x dx. Okay. You essentially can never get the final answer to this because this is never true. Okay, so if you are to follow this particular path, you're going to end up your final answer is going to be this is our cos minus cos x. This one will be what sine x plus c. So let's see how to solve it in the appropriate way. This is not the way it should go. Okay, so let's say the appropriate way. So if I have something like this, we are told to find two functions, the product of two functions, and you are told to find their integral. The first thing first is to make this one as u, okay, because we actually want to visualize what is going on here. So let's put this sign u, this sign x as u. So this u is equal to what? Sine x, okay. We notice that the x is equal to what? Cos x, ain't it? So definitely if we want to, because I want to replace this dx, okay. So in order to make this dx, I can make this as a series of formula. So dx can be written as du over what? Cos x, right? So whenever I see dx, I represent it with du over what? Over cos x. So let's recall back to our initial integral problem. We are given that our sine x is what? Anytime you see sine x, you represent it as what? As u. And this is our cos x. So this is our cos x. And whenever you see the x, you replace it with what? Du over what? Over cos x. So it's writing du over cos x. Definitely cos s can cancel cos s. So we will be left with u and u du. Okay. So in order to get our final answer to this question, we say the integral of u is writing u square over what? 2 plus then the u is what is definitely our constant, which is what is c. Okay, so we're definitely going to substitute the value of u towards in this our first equation. So this is our u here is what? Is sine x. So we're going to have sine x, because this one is square, we're going to have the square here over what? 2 plus what? C. So for this answer, it is denoted that this is not the appropriate way of solving two products of a function. Okay, so when you have two functions, two products of a function in integral, you use substitution method. Okay, don't multiply them and solve them directly. So these are common mistakes most students do, especially in their examination. And this is so whenever you have something like that, just make sure you use this substitution method, and you're going to arrive at your final answer. With this explanation, I just giving, I believe you will be able to understand the concept about the product of two functions regarding integral. Okay, so for more informative content, don't forget to like, share, and follow my channel, James Maths Academy. Until see you next time. Thank you.